वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Let me ask you something very honestly. How many times a day do you feel alone? You feel alone even when people are around. So today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Sri Darbar Sahib Amritsar answers this very human question. It doesn't talk about heaven, it doesn't talk about miracles, it talks about companionship. Hukamnama Sahib by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at Ang 533 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Rag Dev Gandhari Mahalla Panjwa, Karatija Ikumkar Satguru Prasad, Meeta Aise Har Jio Pai, which means, O friend, such is the dear Lord whom I have obtained. Now, notice the word friend, not master, not dictator, not ruler, not controller, a friend. Because life does not want to dominate you, life wants you to understand it. Now, the next verse is very powerful, which says, छोड़ न जाई सद ही संगे अंदिन गुर मिल गाए रहाओ, which means he does not leave me and he always keeps me company, meeting the Guru day and night, sing his praises. Now here ask yourself what really leaves us. Money leaves, people leave, positions leave, even health sometimes leaves. So what is presence? That never leaves. Now, it's not a personality, it's not an external power. What is it then? It is clarity. When you are confused, life feels hostile, but when you are clear, life feels supportive. The life does not trouble you, your inner contradictions do. The moment contradictions reduce, peace increases automatically. Now here the Shabad continues. Guruji says, Milyo Manohar, Sarab Sukhena Tyag na Katho Jaye, which means I met the fascinating Lord who has blessed me with all comforts. He does not leave me to go anywhere else. Now let's here be very practical. Do you sing praises when life is confusing? No, you complain, and that is very normal. But when understanding comes, even silence feels like gratitude. When awareness increases, reactions decrease. I repeat, when awareness increases, reactions decrease. You don't force positivity, you outgrow negativity. Imagine you are stuck in traffic. Now, one person shouts, honks, curses. Another person turns on music, breathes, relaxes. Now, same traffic, different experience. Now, why? Because the second person is aligned with the reality, not fighting it. That alignment is what Shabad calls meeting the beloved. Now, in the verse, Guruji says, Anik anik paat, baho pekhe priya romna samsar laye, which means I have seen the mortals of many and various types, but they are not equal to even a hair of my beloved. So now the Shabad does not say that everything became perfect. It says comfort. So when it says comfort, comfort does not come from control. Comfort comes from acceptance with intelligence. Like acceptance is not weakness, by the way. Resistance without wisdom is. A man once said, I want peace, but my family is impossible. He was asked one question, do you want peace or control? The question changed his life. The day he chose understanding over domination, his inner noise reduced. Nothing mystical happened, but everything became lighter, and that's grace. So now Guruji says, Mandar Pag Sob Dware, Anhat Run Jun Lai, which means his palace is so beautiful. His gate is so wonderful, the celestial melody of the sound currents resounds there. Now, here the palace is not the marble, it is mental space. When unnecessary thoughts drop, life starts sounding like music. Until then, it feels like noise. Now, Guruji has given us a very strong insight in this Hukamnama. I have seen many types of people, but none equal even a hair of my beloved. Because no person can give you what clarity gives. People can support you, but only awareness can stabilize you. That's why emotional dependence leads to fear, and inner alignment leads to freedom. So now here Guruji concludes, Kaho Nanak sada rang mane grihe priye thite sad jaye, which means, says Nanak, I enjoy the internal bliss. I have obtained a permanent place in the home of my beloved. And permanent place means you stop running, you stop proving, you stop escaping, you start living consciously. So here's one small assignment for you. Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Write down one situation you are fighting in life. Ask yourself just one question. What am I refusing to accept here? No judgment, no guilt here, just clarity. Because the moment acceptance begins, companionship with life begins. When you stop arguing with life, life sits beside you. That is the beloved. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. सरबत दा भला, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।